Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now let's open some music on our phone, for example. So here we have the YouTube with the playlist. Now, to control the music on our watch, we can open the glances, which is by pressing the up or down buttons on the watch face on the home screen. Basically, you press up or down to open the glances, like this. Now scroll through the list of glances, and you should see this right here between notifications and training readiness. You should see the music controls, and it already sees the name of the song. We can then press the select it and press the start/stop button to enter. And here we have the control panel for our music. And we can do a couple of things. We can press the start/stop to play or pause. We can press the down button to go to the next song. We can press the up/menu button to open this menu. And here we have a couple more options. We have previous song, next song, and also the volume. So if you select volume, press the start/stop, you can increase or decrease the volume on your phone, like this. And once you're done, you can press the back button. Okay. And that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.